In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to download spatial data for Nigeria using from the GADM online directory rather. So to download data from a GADM online directory, type in GADM in your search window, GADM, press the enter key on your keyboard. Now you can see that you have Wikipedia, GADM, USNA. You have different options, but of course, the first one here is what you're looking for, which is basically GADM. So click on that. It takes you to the parent web page. You're looking to download the data, so maybe maps or whatever, but then click on data. When you press data, it takes you to this page where, like I said, you want to download the spatial data by country. Now you can see here that the statement you can download the spatial data by country. Click on the country there. It takes you to another page where you can now select the country that you're interested in. Like I said, I'm interested in Nigeria, so on that country, there's a space. Click on this arrow. Even if you don't click there, even if you click within, it will still take you there. But ideally, click on the arrow. The first country there is Afghanistan because, of course, Afghanistan is actually the first alphabetically. So scroll down, or to make it faster, hold drag down until you get to N. Now we have M there. Now we've gotten to the N. So to make it gradual, click on the arrow, and this is Nigeria. Click on Nigeria. Now you have data for Nigeria. You can see that this is a map of Nigeria with the states. The red lines represent the states within Nigeria, while the blue lines represent the local government areas within each state in Nigeria. Now you can download in different formats. You can download geo package, which is not what I'm interested in at the moment. Shapefile is what I'm interested in. You can download geo JSON, level 0, level 1, level 2. KMZ, of course, which is KML, the one that you can upload online. You can use it to view. You can use this in Google Maps or online. So once you click on this, it will take you to the Google Maps or Google Earth Pro. You can view what the Earth looks like within that area on Google Earth. So, but for now, I'm interested in downloading the shapefile itself. We'll click on this shapefile. The download has already commenced. So when it's done, we'll see what is within the shapefile or the zip file that we have downloaded. But basically, this is how you download spatial data for Nigeria or for any other country using the GADM online directory. So now the download is about to get concluded, more than halfway done. It's not that heavy a file, it's about 3.3 megabytes in size. So once the download is done, which is just which will happen in a couple of seconds time. Now the download is done because the blue line has moved around for the zip file. So right click, show in folder location. This is the folder. Copy, and then go to the folder that you want to work from. Map production. Right click, paste. Right click, extract all. Extract. And now you have your GADM data. You can see this NGA0, basically just the Nigerian boundary. NGA1, Nigeria boundary, state boundaries within Nigeria. NGA2, Nigeria boundaries, state boundaries, local government boundaries. So for this particular tutorial that we're running through, eventually you get to use this Nigeria too, because basically you still need to kind of get the boundaries for the local governments within each of the states you may be working with. Thank you. See you subsequently.